it's not a bad day here in central Iowa. Temperatures, I think it's about 80 degrees. It's a warm 80 degrees if you get out in the sun. There's not much air movement, but it's not too bad. Well, get that fan turned off. And I wanted to get a regular video out, or kind of a sort of regular video out for you guys before I go out to Oregon. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, going out there to see James and Kyle at Central Oregon Shenanigans, I'll link their channel down below, and also there'll be a button on the end screen that you can click to go straight to their channel. Most of you have probably already heard about that by now, but thought I would throw that out there. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the little notification bell. I'll explain more on that here in just a second. But going out there to paint Kyle's truck, it looks a lot like this one. Different color, but otherwise looks a lot like this. It's gonna look a lot like this. Going out to paint his truck, there are a couple of surprises on their way right now. In fact, I think they're in Colorado last time I looked. So they are going out there, and you'll see what those are in an upcoming video. And a little update on my vacationing paint gun. As you might know, it ended up somehow in Hawaii. It left there, it went to Portland, Oregon, then it went down to, I think it's Eugene, Oregon. So it's traveling all around Oregon right now. Both of those cities are about 3 hours away from where James is, but it should get there hopefully. I don't know if I'll get there today. If not today, hopefully tomorrow. Should be there in time for us to start painting. And today is Thursday, leaving for Oregon day after tomorrow on Saturday. So you should be getting this video right after I record it, I think. And I'm gonna be out there for 2 weeks doing Kyle's truck and some other stuff. I'll talk more about that here in just a second. But first, one reason I wanted to make this video is I'm not really updating on the Bronco or anything. I got something new. So hold on here just a second. Now, look who's calling. Hello, James.
Pick up the camera and upload a video.
Well, as a matter of fact, I'm recording right now, and you're on and you're on speaker.
Awesome. What's up, guys? I'm actually in the process of right now going and picking up your accommodations for the couple weeks we're here.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Good deal.
We are, I'm going to get the 6-liter Super Duty right now.
Okay.
And I'm going to go hook up the camp trailer and drag it over to my place and get it hooked up.
All right.
And then I got to mow. Today.
You got to mow. I may have to mow tomorrow. I don't know.
And then I got to run Kyle out the core support this afternoon for the $800 project truck that we're working on.
Okay.
And that's my day in an eggshell right there.
All righty.
Yeah.
Well, I'm ready. I was just telling everybody about coming out there. I'm going to tell them a little bit more here in just a little bit, but I'll call you back here after a while.
Sounds great. I'll see you Saturday, buddy.
All righty. Talk to you later.
Bye.
Okay, where was I before I was so rudely interrupted there? And I think James is going to send me a picture of Kyle's truck. I will put that up right here. And that's what we're going to be working on while I'm out there. It's going to be a pretty truck when it's all done. Anyway, I was talking about this new, it's basically like a tripod, but you can hold it like that for when you're filming, vlogging, whatever you want to call it. And these legs, they actually have like notches where they fold out. This is like a really feels like a well-built deal. And this, let's see, if you loosen that right there, you can stand it up. This will tilt. I don't know really why you'd want to do that. I suppose if it was uneven or something, you could do that. And it will also, this will turn. So if you get your tripod positioned somewhere and you're recording, but it's not quite where you need it to be, you don't have to, move the whole tripod. Sometimes you get the legs down in, places that you really don't have much room. So then you can just turn this a little bit. But I really like this thing. We'll see how it is in the long run. Had really good reviews on it. It's a Photo Pro UFO 2 set. Comes with the GoPro adapter. Also comes with, I'm just putting some stuff together here, I'm taking out there to those guys. Also comes with this little guy that you can screw this on the top of there, and it's for your cell phone. And also you can connect it if you have like a DSLR camera, you can mount it on there and connect it with this, and you can turn your camera off and on. I think you can do it via Bluetooth or wireless, something like that. But anyway, you can use that button. I don't know if it works with a GoPro that way or not. I mean, my GoPro will connect to wireless, but probably not really need to use that. My GoPro is also voice command, so don't really need that, and it connects to my phone if I need it to. The way I've been carrying my camera, and that's what I use as a GoPro, is with this, and I just leave it mounted on this because this will snap right into my tripod. So I just leave it on this, and I've been carrying it around. My finger would just wrap around it like that, and that's how I do it. But I get a lot of, if you move your hand at all, you get some noise. I don't know if you noticed that or not, and it's rather annoying. So before heading out there, I got this. It just arrived today. Got this off Amazon. It's only $20, guys. And no, it's not a sponsored video, but I just got it like an hour ago. It arrived, and it seems like a really well built thing. And these legs, I'm not going to do it right now because I want to keep it as straight as I can for packing purposes and that. But these legs will bend in pretty much any shape you want them to. Yeah, it kind of shows you on here. You can wrap it around a post or a tree or fence or whatever, and pretty cool. So $20, had really good reviews. I saw a review from somebody else. I hadn't heard of them before, but they do YouTube. They bought 5 of them just so they have one in every vehicle and everything they use it for. But yeah, I like it. I will link it down below in the description if you want to try it out, get one of your own. Be a real quick way to pick one up, and for 20 bucks you can't hardly go wrong. But so far I am impressed. Anyway, enough of that. So like I said, not really a Bronco update or anything, not working on the Bronco right now. I really did want to get this thing primered before I went out. This week has flown by. Last week flew by, and I was getting kind of burnt out. Hopefully when I get back from doing Kyle's truck, I'll be a little bit more energized to get this finished up, and we can get it primered and painted, because shortly after that, going to harvest is going to start. So need to get this done, or it may not get done this fall, but I think it will. I should have a good 2-3 weeks, possibly 4, but at least a couple of weeks. So should be able to get that all finished up. One other thing, and kind of doing this as a little experiment right now, but I just want to do a channel sticker giveaway. And the reason I'm doing this is I was talking with James and Kyle last night. I kind of came up with this idea yesterday. 1, I want them to get some channel stickers before I come out there. 2, James came up with, I don't want to give too much of this away just in case it doesn't happen, but he came up with a dual channel sticker with their logo and my logo, and might even put the dates on it just for, when we did this collaboration while I'm out there. And that would be a limited edition type of sticker. We might do some giveaways on that while I'm out there if everything falls into place, which I think it will. But right now I would like to I'm just going to do a sticker giveaway on my channel sticker. It's a 4-inch round sticker, and if you want to get entered into this, just drop down in the comments down below. Just drop a comment down below saying, I want a sticker, send me a sticker, I don't know, be creative with it. And I'll get you entered into the drawing, and I'm not even sure how long it's going to go for. It's going to go quick. It's not going to. This isn't going to be a week-long thing. This is going to be like a day or two. Probably because I get out to Oregon on Saturday, and I want to get a video up on Sunday. So it's probably either going to be Saturday night, Sunday morning. I will pin a comment, you know, on when you look at the comments, I'll pin a comment as the first comment saying that the drawing is over, and then I'll take all the names that that said they want a sticker or something like that. I'll put them into a random generator. I'll draw a name, and you'll get yourself a channel sticker. Or if you don't want to wait for that, there is a link down below where you can just go purchase said channel sticker. Also a link down there for t-shirts, hoodies, that kind of thing. But anyway, that's what I'm going to do that. So just drop a comment down below that you want a channel sticker. You'll be entered into the drawing, and it's not going to go long, so your chances of winning are actually increased. Going to do it real fast. Just another, what, 2 days? And then we plan on doing some more things like that while I'm out there. We're just tossing stuff around right now. This is going to be a lot of fun, guys. We're going to be not only recording on Kyle's truck, but just some general vlogging, and you're going to see a lot of things that you don't typically see on my channel. I mean, on my channel, we're typically right here in the shop. We get out of here every once in a while, but usually it's in the shop here. So at least on my channel, you are going to see stuff you've never seen before. You're going to see some different, you know, personalities on the channel. Going to be out in different places. We're going to be at both Kyle and James's places doing things. And I'm pretty sure that Oregon isn't this flat. So we're going to see a whole different scenery. I've never been to Oregon, so I'm kind of wanting to get out and see different things myself. And I do plan on taking you along. And both of us plan on doing that, so make sure you subscribe to both of our channels, Central Oregon Shenanigans and my channel. Hit that subscribe button. Click that notification bell, because we're going to be uploading a lot of stuff. I think we're both going to be uploading pretty much every day while I'm out there. It may not be a full-length video, at least an update video on what's going on, because we have a lot of work to do between the time I get there and the time I come back home. And there's Jessie girl. Why aren't you up with your puppies? You're tired. Are you tired? You still don't like the camera, do you? Or that fly that keeps bugging you. You are camera shy. Okay. But guys, this should be a whole lot of fun. Not only for, you know, for me, James, and Kyle doing the recording and making videos and working on Kyle's truck and doing everything we're going to be doing. Also for you guys, it should be fun. It should be funny. It should be entertaining. We're going to have a riot just doing all this stuff. We're going to have a good time. It's not going to be all truck stuff. Like I said, I want to do some other things. They do too. So just come along for the ride. Also, if you're on any social media groups on Facebook, Instagram, anything like that, even just wherever, if it works out, go ahead and throw out what's going on here. If you think it's going to be entertaining, if you like what you see, you know, toss our channel names out there saying, you know, we're going to be working together, and should be really good. So hopefully we can both build our channels up a little bit. We'd like to get the word out and need all the help we can get. Believe me, it's harder than you think. But I got my respirator. It's bagged up in here, ready to go. A couple little GoPro things. I'm just shoving stuff in a bag here. I need to take up the house. Where are my, oh, there, cartridges for respirator in there. Not sure, I don't remember who gave me the hat, but it's going along with me. What do you think, Jessie girl? Nope, just don't want it, do you? Well, while I'm at it, I thought I'd give you a real quick little puppy update. They're all out here. Yeah, hi guys. Hi guys, hi Abby. You guys are gonna get to know Abby quite well. She's staying because she looks a lot like Moxie used to, so we're keeping her. I really like this guy, but I got outvoted on that. A friend of mine's taken him. That's Diamond. I think my daughter named the one with the stripe Roscoe. That one's gonna look a lot like Jessie. They're all gonna kind of have blockheads like Buddy. But yeah, they're all doing really good. You did a good job there, Jessie girl. Good job. Good. Hello. All right. Okay. But anyway, guys, I can't really emphasize enough, subscribe and hit that notification bell. We're going to have a lot of fun. And like I said, not just me, James, and Kyle, but I think you're going to really enjoy what we're doing as well. Like I said, it should be fun. It should be funny. There's going to be a lot of camaraderie going on. We're all pretty excited to meet each other and get things going, and I think it's going to be a great 2 weeks. A lot of content coming your way on both channels, so just do it. Hit that subscribe button, notification bell. That way you will know exactly what's going on. And if you could help spread the word, we would greatly appreciate it. Both of our channels would greatly appreciate that. Throw it out into your Facebook groups if you're in some truck groups or whatever. If you like our channels, if you like what we're doing, toss it out there. See if we can get more people jumping on board. And like I said, I think we're going to be doing some giveaways. Nothing real big, but probably some channel stickers. And I don't know if Kyle and James have anything else planned or what all they even have. But at least some channel stickers and stuff. It should be a good time. We appreciate all you guys as supporters of our channels and subscribers and all that. And you know, we're trying to give back a little bit. So anyway, just a couple more days, well actually just one more day down here in the Fox shop, and then I'm going to be out in Central Oregon instead of Central Iowa. And I need to just finish up, need to go up and get my list again, finish packing things up. I need to edit this video and get it uploaded. And don't forget, drop a comment down below. I'll do a quick little channel sticker giveaway here. It's only going to run for, well, maybe just a couple of days till either Saturday night or Sunday morning. Like I said, I will pin it on top of the comments of this video that the contest is over. And if you want to call it a contest, it's more of just a drawing. It's a giveaway. Anyway, I'll pin it up there when it's all over, and somebody will get one of these, and plan on doing some more of these while I'm out there with James and Kyle, and hopefully we get that dual channel sticker made up. Looks pretty cool, although James made his logo bigger than mine. Anyway, guys, I gotta finish packing things up. There's stuff around here I have to do yet, and might try to mow the yard again tomorrow, although it doesn't really need it. It would keep my wife from having to do it right away. And then Saturday morning, bright and early, I'm bouncing out of here. I'm going to take you along for the ride, so make sure you tune in Sunday. Gonna be vlogging some on my way out there. When I get out there, it's going to start right here in Iowa and end up out in Oregon. So come along for the ride. It's going to be a lot of fun. Make sure you go subscribe to Central Oregon Shenanigans as well. And like I've said before, you might see kind of the same work being done, but from a different perspective, different commentary going on, different personalities and so forth. So, and with that being said, make sure you enter the giveaway. Just drop a comment that you want a sticker, and give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. We'll catch you next time. We're heading to Oregon.